In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your computer audio during a Microsoft Teams meeting. Whether you're a teacher, a team leader, or someone looking to share multimedia content, sharing your computer's audio allows your audience to experience the full depth of your presentation. Let's dive into the steps to make this happen seamlessly. First, you will need to sign into your Microsoft Teams account. Simply go to the Microsoft Teams application or website and enter your login credentials. It's essential to ensure that you're logged in with the correct account, especially if you're switching between personal and work accounts. Once you're logged in, you'll be presented with your Teams dashboard where you can start interacting with your colleagues. Now, let's get ready to start a meeting. Look for the Start Meeting option on your dashboard. By initiating a meeting, you are setting the stage for engaging discussions and productive collaborations. Once you have initiated the meeting, remember that you can either set up a new meeting or join an ongoing one depending on your needs. Once everything's set, you're in the meeting environment, and now comes the crucial part, sharing your screen and audio. To share your screen, you'll want to find and click on the Share button. This button is typically located in the upper menu bar of your meeting window. It's a gateway to share your screen and ultimately your audio. Upon clicking, you'll be presented with a few options. You can choose to share your entire screen, a particular window, or a specific tab. Opt for the one that suits your presentation or demonstration needs. The choice is yours and depends on the kind of content you aim to share. Once you've made your choice, there's one more thing to ensure: sharing your tab audio. If you're aiming to share something from a web browser, select the specific tab you want to share. Before you hit that share button, look for an option that says Share Tab Audio. It's generally a small checkbox or toggle and it's easy to miss, but checking this option is key to making sure that your meeting participants can hear all the sounds and audio from your selected tab, elevating their experience of what you're presenting. And there you go. By following these steps, you've effectively shared not just your screen but your computer audio as well. This technique is incredibly beneficial when you're sharing a video, music, or any multimedia content that includes sound. Remember, practice makes perfect, so maybe give it a dry run before your actual meeting to ensure a smooth experience for everyone involved. Thank you for watching and happy sharing on Microsoft Teams.